Hey, I'm Rob from Robb's Roofing. I've been installing Enviroshake since 2017. Honestly, the look, the guys love working with it. Lots of good feedback from the crew that they get to work with it. It's really nice stuff to do. Typically, we install 4 to 10 a year. Depends on how much time we really have to get to all the installs. It is quicker than cedar, but the overall look and the durability in the end of the day, it makes up for the difference on the install. The amount of waste I typically see on Enviroshake installs between 10–15%, sometimes upwards of 20. Really depends on how many valleys, turrets, and elevation changes, that type of stuff. Enviroshake's great. The sales rep's fantastic. I love how they feed you leads, and they're pre-vetted, so you're not wasting your time when you're going into the job. You pretty well know, like, hey, I got an 80% chance that I'm gonna win this. They do a great job of vetting. Enviroshake lead times are great. This one actually we got in 2 weeks. Again, with the team at Enviroshake, I phone them up, give them, hey, a heads up, I got an order coming in, I'm just waiting for a check. So they get things moving for me in the background. I was away on vacation for this delivery on this one, and I basically gave them heads up, hey, I need this material here, I'm gonna be out of service. Material showed up on time, everything was delivered correctly. It's really nice that I can just send an email and it's done and taken care of and I don't have to worry about it. Aesthetics, marketing, the durability of composites versus others on the market that are like plastic or rubber. We've done rubber install and the smell coming off of them is absolutely horrendous. We actually got one person we did out in Burlington. When we finished and I take the homeowners out for a walk around, I said, well, what do you think? And she says, oh my gosh, my house actually looks like a mansion now. It really completed the look. A lot of them just rave on how well it looks. It looks just like real cedar when it's done, and they can't get over how well it looks.